is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's currently 9:52 in the morning. I'm on my way to my bro Josue's house because, like I said in the previous vlog, I'm gonna be installing a clutch line on my car. Now, supposedly from what I've heard is that the clutch line helps. It's an ISR performance clutch line. It is the stainless steel one or braided steel one or whatever you want to call it. Because they say that it's supposed to make your clutch pedal feel better, that it's supposed to feel better. Mine feels like it's rough, and then it's also sticky. Like when it's hot, it gets really, really sticky, and I hate it. Like it just feels all bad. Well, Joshua already has his. His feels way like smoother, so I'm guessing it is gonna be the clutch line. So this is the clutch line, ISR. I've actually bought this like probably, I want to say maybe like 4 or 5 months ago. I've just been having it sitting in my car, and I think, man, honestly, I think I've just been lazy to install it. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. I'm gonna head to his house. Most likely he's sleeping because we didn't finish installing his oil catch can. If you guys didn't see that video, make sure you guys go check out that last vlog. We installed the oil catch can on his car. We had a custom mounted, but everything worked out. So if you guys haven't seen it, make sure you guys go check it out. And right now, I'm on my way to his house. Probably gonna wake him up because we didn't finish till like 1:20 in the morning. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be today's vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys there. Alright, guys, so I had to take off this damn inner fender that I forgot I had. I don't have that side, but I do have this side. Because, where's the light at? Your line runs, can't even see it with this. Oh, there's your line right there. So we're gonna have to unbolt. Give me a second. These 2 bolts. That bolt right there. And then we're gonna go under and then pull it out through the hole that is right down there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. That hole right there. We're gonna pull it out through there. This is what I'm taking off. These 2 bolts right here. This one. That bolt right there. That's your clutch line going up to that hole way down there. We took off this little cover that goes right here just so we can bleed this damn little bleeder valve. That's gonna be an 8mm. You guys can use a wrench or a socket. I suggest you guys use a wrench. Ooh, oh, wet me. To me, it's just hella dirty. Alright, so meanwhile that leaks out. Alright, guys, so that bolt is a size 12. Oof, got it. There it is. That's a sign of success. Now we gotta start taking off that bolt, these 2 bolts right here, and then start working our way up. Alright, guys, so that's a size 10 bolt. It goes connected to your line. It goes connected to your slave. So you want to take that off, use a wrench. Be careful, because if you strip that, I honestly don't know how the hell you're gonna take that off. So just use a wrench, size 10, and then twist it loose. To twist it loose, you're gonna be turning towards your transmission. So right. I'm trying to show you guys this line right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there, right where the light is flashing. That's a size 10mm bolt. Be careful with that, guys, because that's like really. I'm trying to show you guys that one right there. That's a size 10mm bolt. Because if you do strip it, I don't know how you're gonna get that off. So just try to using a wrench. Unfortunately, it's too long, so my friend went to go get his. His is shorter. So I'll keep you guys updated once we take that off, and then we should be able to put everything back in the reverse way that we took it off. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so update, that's finally off. It's there, but I'm about to pull it off right now. And then that line runs through here. That little hole. You're gonna want to take that bolt that's on top of. Let me see if I can show you guys a closer view. That bolt right there, that's gonna come off, and then you take off this line. Alright guys, so quick tip, I took off the line from up here. It makes it way easier to just pull that out through the top. That's the line. So now I'm gonna unbolt this again and then take out the line from under, and then we run the new line. Quick tip, the line goes through there, and there's this little fucking annoying piece of shit clip, which is this right here. So it's pretty hard to pull off. The way I did it is, you can see the little marks right here. Maybe I used the flathead screwdriver, one of these. I banged it into the corner and then just slowly try prying it off, and it'll come off eventually. So just a quick tip, because it goes under through here, but the clip is actually up here grabbing onto the line. So just a quick tip. Alright guys, so we're about to install this clutch line. This is ISR clutch line. For you guys are gonna ask, it's ISR. This is the annoying part because it's a really tight space. So it's really hard. And then just run the line again through the bottom, and then tighten everything up. And then yeah, good. But this part right here goes connected. You guys probably won't be able to see it. There's a hole down there. Yeah, you guys can see it right there. Alright guys, so the line is on. You guys can tell. It's that yellow one, gold one, whatever you want to call it. I ran it through the bottom hole. Ran it down through here. I am gonna zip tie it through right here just so it won't be all wobbly. Alright guys, it's in. Now what we gotta do is beat the clutch. Oh, so I didn't end up zip tying it. I ended up passing it through the back. This little, I guess, usually comes with. So I ran through the back, down through here, and straight. So I'll bolt it up. One washer on top, one washer where the nut is at, and then it's good. Now we just gotta beat it and see how it goes from there. Alright guys, we're finally done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helps you guys out. I did try my best to get as much footage as I could of everything that I was doing. I forgot to record. Well, the camera was set up, but I forgot to push record when we were bleeding the clutch. But I mean, it's pretty simple, you know. But other than that, we're done. Car is finally running now. The clutch runs way, I mean, it feels way better already. But I'll let you guys know when I get home. Hey, what's up guys? So just a quick update on the car. I've been driving already for about 15 minutes, and already the clutch pedal feels way better than the OEM one. Believe me, there is a difference. I feel it. It's more lighter and smoother than the OEM one. The OEM one, at least for my car, it was like really sticky and it was really hard to push in. But now that I switched out this clutch line, it feels way better. If you guys are looking into getting one, make sure you guys get the full one, because there's two types, I think, on that website, the ISR Performance. There is a half one, and then there is also that long ass one. I got the long one that goes from your transmission to all the way to your slave, from from the transmission to the top of your engine bay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know there's not really any videos specifically on how to do this yourself, so I tried my best to try to help you guys out there. I try to get as many specific details on the video as I possibly could. If you guys, I tried my best, believe me. This GoPro sucks in low light conditions, so I had to use my phone's flashlight. So I hope you guys are able to, see and try to do this yourself. I hope it was helpful. I tried my best, believe me. I even sliced my finger. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here.